Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send BUSD from Trust Wallet to Uphold in 2025. With the latest updates making transactions faster and more secure, this is a must-know for anyone managing their digital assets. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Trust Wallet app installed on your device, some BUSD in your wallet, and an Uphold account set up. Double-check that your Uphold account is verified, as this is crucial for receiving funds smoothly. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and go to your Assets section. Find BUSD in your list. It should be easy to spot if you have it. Step 2. Tap on BUSD and select the Send option. This will bring up a screen where you can enter the details. Step 3. Now, switch to your Uphold app or website. Navigate to your BUSD wallet and copy the deposit address. Pro tip. Always ensure you're using the correct network, like BEP20 for BUSD, to prevent any errors. Step 4. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Uphold address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to send, and don't forget to check for any network fees. Step 5. Review all the details carefully. This is where mistakes can happen, so take a second to verify everything. Once you're good, hit Send and confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features. After that, sit tight. Transactions usually process in a few minutes, but it could take longer depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Uphold account to confirm the BUSD has arrived. A quick word of caution. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, double-check the address and network type. And remember, never share your private keys. There you have it. You're all set to transfer BUSD seamlessly. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.